Hello everyone, welcome to Parenting with Dr. Kruti.
Brainteasers for children. The more of me there is, the less you can see. What am I? Darkness. I am black when clean and dirty when white. What am I? Blackboard. When does tomorrow come before yesterday? In a dictionary. If there are 3 apples and you took away 2, how many do you have? 2. If the red house is on the right side and the blue house is on the left side, where is the White House? In Washington, D.C. It goes up and down but never moves. What is it? A flight of stairs. I come in many different colors and I get bigger when I am full. I will float away if you don't tie me down, and I will make a loud sound if I break. What am I? A balloon. A farmer has 19 sheep on his land. One day a big storm hits and all but 7 run away. How many sheep does the farmer have left? 7. What are the next 3 letters in the following sequence? J, F, M, A, M, J, J, A. S, O, N. The sequence is the first letter of the months of the year. Jimmy's mother has 4 children. She named the first Monday, the second Tuesday, and the third Wednesday. What is the name of the fourth child? Jimmy.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो उसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.